So we have our lemon juice. We're going to add our chives to that. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to go and try and smash this butter and also stir it in with our chives and lemon juice. And then once we've done that, we'll get it off of our spoon. And the lemon juice will not completely go, but that's fine. That flavor is still in there. I'm going to make a nice little pat here. And then we're going to take this and put this in the freezer to let it get a little bit hard.